What if your next spiritual awakening doesn't happen in a temple or church, but online? As digital communities redefine connection, how will they reshape our understanding of ultimate truth, of word or Shabd? Prepare to explore the digital frontier of faith. Welcome to the channel. We've established that word is not just language, it is the very fabric of existence. It is the beginning, the end, the one that unites us all. But what happens when this eternal, infinite concept moves into the most rapidly evolving space in human history, the digital community? Digital spaces are more than just platforms. They are new fields of consciousness. And in these fields, the experience of word is fundamentally changing in three profound ways. First, Shabd as a universal vibration. The ancient texts describe Shabd as a primordial sound, a force that transcends all spoken language and culture. Doesn't that sound like a digital signal? The internet itself is a global vibration, a collective consciousness where every culture and creed meets. The word now aligns with this global, immediate digital consciousness, offering a path to realize the one through universal digital interconnectedness. Second, interactive interpretation. For centuries, spiritual understanding was often vertical, from guru to disciple, but digital platforms foster a horizontal, dynamic, multivocal interpretation of sacred texts. A single teaching can be simultaneously debated, translated, and internalized by millions. The discovery of truth, of word, is no longer static. It is a collaborative, constantly evolving process that involves every single search, click, and comment. Third, and perhaps most transformative, algorithmic resonance. Could AI and advanced algorithms actually enhance our experience of Shabd? Think of it. An AI can scan every major spiritual text, every personal reflection, every piece of wisdom shared online, revealing patterns, connections, and logical harmonies previously unseen by the human mind alone. Could an algorithm help us hear the word more clearly, revealing the hidden unity in all belief systems? Could AI become a tool to reveal the truth, which is also a word? The future impact is the deconstruction of the physical temple. The spiritual community of tomorrow is limitless, offering instant accessibility regardless of geography or physical ability. This environment encourages a rapid, challenging, and unfiltered search for truth. It is a space where Osho's tools of words, and even his perceived lies, can instantly be put to the test, leading to a faster, more personal self-realization of the word within. When we realize that everything we can think, dream, or understand is word, we realize everything is one. The digital community is simply the newest mirror reflecting that fundamental truth. We are all word. What are your thoughts on this digital evolution? Do you believe true enlightenment can be achieved online? Let me know in the comments below. Like this video if this reflection resonated with you, and subscribe to join our journey as we explore the eternal truth of word. We are all one and word.